Wow, it's all about the javelin event right here at the Usain Bolt track. Now, from you see me with my favorite flavor in my hand, wow, it's the guava pineapple. It's now time for the Fruta Premier League player profile of the week. Now, I don't know which team we are because Kevin never tell me all of them things, don't it? So here we go. It's Fruta Premier League player profile of the week.
I've been around Cavalier from 1989, 90, thereabout.
Well, I feel good about the team. Our preparation has been good with Coach Lily and myself and Mr. Speed. We have the luxury of preparing the team. The journey has been great for us.
The highlight of this team in terms of getting into the Premiership, for me, this being our 50th year anniversary, the establishment of the club, it was a dream come true for us. And I'm sure if it's a late Duncan there, it would have been a marvelous thing for him even at this time. So most of the players in the past, the Pree Dis, the David, they have been around so long. So when they see the team back into the Premiership, you could see the joy on their face. Because Cavalier is one of those, what you would call household name within the football fraternity in Jamaica.
What would you say the team brings to the spirit of football overall in Jamaica?
Well, our technical ability that we bring to the table. The team is technically sound, and also tactically they are great.
The current crop of players, what would you say have been the challenges today right about now in terms of preparation? What have been the challenges and how have you been able to overcome those challenges?
Well, the preparation, some of the players that come in late, that is a challenge for us to get them up to scratch into our philosophy and playing. Well, we are working on it. We still some of them come out through the ranks, so we are working on it.
You talk about the passing game. You're talking about going back to the basic, pass, move off the ball, shooting properly. All of these things are basic, but they are what you call the highlight of football, the high point of football. That's what can make you become a true professional, being consistent in what you're doing, knowing really what you're about and where you want to go.
Refreshing. Hope you're enjoying the show right now because it's time to pump things up a little bit more. Pree Dis Top 10 Chart live. Check it out right here on your favorite show.
Where you are to behind curtain. Enough of them say them are your friend when you check it out. Them is a different person. Them now want to see you dribble like burden. Them want you live your life in a burden.
Mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun. Then we mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound.
Every girl for your ticket on every girl for your pocket on right now me a party non-stop. Cause the girl them so hot and the tops them roll up. Pass me a buckle and hot. Girl them give me a little one drop. Make the bassline roll and catch. I'm in love how the rhythm just a tap. Me I'm a woman.
When the city I go click clack blow your bed. Government fingers and tic-tac toes in it. And while they're working on the X's and O's, I'm living eye and eye like I'm Mr.
I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
In a car when me are the only man with pants pan waist, me nah fall on nobody. And when the old Jamaica bleach them face, me nah fall on.
Then don't so untouched too.
I spend the time with my girl and give me bone. I spend the time with my woman and I give me bone.
All right, folks, I want to say thanks a lot to everybody who turn out to watch Pree Dis every week. Remember, I'm your host, Cruddy, and big up to Flow TV, big up to Entertainment Plus, big up to Carib Cable, Carib Vision, everybody that airs this wonderful show. Remember to also follow us on Twitter at Pree Dis Show, and also follow me on Twitter at The Cruddy. That's TheKruddy. Big up Devar, big up the whole Pree Dis team, Terrence, Kevin, you know yourselves, all right? So we're going to leave you with a video from Belize. The artist is called El LJ, and the song is called For You. Big up the whole Caribbean. You know, we air every week. Keep it locked.
Too wide, I will swim the seas to see the sparkle in your eyes and embrace the presence of that big bright morning smile.